we next want to do is create a while loop that compares our answers. So while true, for cosmetics, we can just do print nothing. Then we're going to set user input to equal user move. Right? And then we're going to do set comp input to equal comp move. And that should be good for now. And then we can do another print statement or nothing. Now we can start with our ifs. So if user input equals r and if comp input also equals r, then we're going to print you chose rock. The computer chose rock. You hi. Right? And then we'll do another one. So if comp input equals p, then we're going to print you chose rock. The computer chose paper. Print you lose. You lose. And then what we're going to do is for comp wins, we're going to add 1 to it. And then we also want to make this an elif statement. And then we're going to make another elif statement. Elif comp input equals s. Then we're going to print you chose rock. The computer chose scissors. You win. Right? And then we're just going to do player wins. I'm going to add equal 1 to it. And this is 1/3 for our while loop. Now what we're going to do is do the same thing except for paper. So elif user input equals p, and if to do comp input equals r, and we're going to print you chose paper. Print the computer chose rock. Right? and then we're going to do print you win. Right? Then we're going to do player wins plus equals 1. Right? And then we're going to do another elif statement. So elif comp input equals p this time, p. Then we're going to do print you chose paper. Print the computer chose paper. And then I'm gonna do another one. Sorry, last one. Print you tie. Then since we tie, we're not going to add anything, and we'll just head on to another elif statement. Elif comp input equals s, and we're going to do s, and we're going to do print you chose paper, right? And then print the computer chose scissors. Print you lose. And then we're going to add one to comp wins. Comp wins plus equals 1. Right? And that's 2/3 done of our while loop. Now finally, we can do our last elif. So elif user input equals s. And we're going to do s, and if comp input equals we're going to do r, right? Then we'll do print you chose scissors. The computer chose rock. And again, you lose. Alright, then we're going to add one to comp wins. Alright, and then we can do an elif statement. So elif comp input equals p. And we're going to do print you chose scissors. Print the computer chose paper. Right, and finally, you win. Then I'm going to add one to player wins. Plus equals 1. Right? And then finally our last elif comp input equals s. I'm going to do print you chose scissors. Print the computer chose scissors. Print you tie. And then we're not going to add anything. And now we're done 3/3 of our while loop. Finally, just to end off our while loop, we're going to print nothing for cosmetics. And then we're going to print player wins. I'm going to add as a string. Nope, we're going to add player wins. Alright, then we'll do the same thing again. Print comp wins. Right, and then we're going to add as a string, we're going to add comp wins. And then for cosmetics again, we're just going to print nothing. Now we're going to user input. What we're going to do now is ask the user if they want to play again or not. So user input equals raw input. Question we're going to ask them is, do you want to play again? Okay, and then we'll give them an option y/n, and then if user input in to yes, capital Y, Y, oh, or Y, and we're going to pass it. But if elif user input equals in, let's do no, n, or n, and we're going to break the loop, and we're going to break them out of the game, or else we're just going to break them. Alright, and that's a rock, paper, scissors game in Python done. After a long wait, we can finally play our game. So let's play. Let's run it. What shall I call you? Let's call Tom again. Hello Tom, let's play. Choose rock, paper, scissors. I'm gonna go with scissors. Oh, there's a typo. Fix that. Alright, save it. Now run it one more time. What shall I call you? Tom. Hello Tom, let's play. Choose rock, paper, scissors. Go for scissors. You chose scissors, the computer chose scissors, you tie. Alright? If you want to play again, choose rock, paper, scissors. Let's go for rock. You chose rock, the computer chose scissors, you win. And that's basically a rock, paper, scissors game. Now, if you don't want to play again, we can just press N, and they break us out of our code.